Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a tool, Parse Vision, which in my opinion tries to solve a huge problem when it comes to doing OCR with PDF files. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. If you have been following my channel, you know that I have already covered hundreds of tools with and without AI to do OCR on PDF files, and not only on PDF files but lot of other formats. What this tool is trying to do, it is trying to identify if the parsing has missed any vital information from that PDF document. It really helps developers and product teams identify if there are any errors in the end product they have received after they have completed the parsing, and this is equally true for LLM powered or AI powered parsing, especially with the vision models or without them. So we are going to install this tool locally and then we will see how it works. Let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. And yes, definitely I'm going to drop the link to this Parse Vision 2 in the video's description. Let me take you to my terminal where I'm running this Ubuntu 22.04. Let's quickly create a virtual environment. I'm just going to use Conda for it. Shouldn't take too long. And now let me git clone the repo of this Parse Vision, and that is also done. Now we need to install all the requirements from the root of the repo, and there you go. So while it installs, let's talk a bit more about this project. And one of the thing I really want to acknowledge here is that this creator, and I have no idea who that person is. I just stumbled upon this repo in this GitHub. This guy was or person was working on a proof of concept for something like intelligent document processing, where he was witnessing that a lot of documents were missing from the OCR, and he wanted to visualize the output to identify the missing information quickly and validate which library would work better for different use cases. And if you have been following my channel, you know that we have covered a lot of libraries like Easy OCR and Tesseract, and there are heaps of them out there which you can check out, like Paddle OCR. So that is where I think, and then he decided, he or she, sorry, I don't know who that person is. This person decided to open source this, so the whole source code is here in this repo. So how generous, really, this warms up my heart. So huge thanks to this person. Anyway, so let's go back to our terminal to see what is happening there. Almost there. Everything is installed. Let's clear the screen, and now let me run this Streamlit demo from the root of the repo, and this is going to open it in our browser, hopefully, just like Streamlit does. So there you go. So now let me select a PDF file from my local system, and then we will see what OCR library see in our document. So let me upload one file. So I'm just going to select a complicated this magazine file which has a lot of stuff like images, and then if you see there are some unstructured data there, and then hopefully there are, I believe there are some maps and tables and stuff. So let's check it out. So I'm just going to give it this. Where is my PDF file? I'm just going to select it from here, and it is processing. This takes some time, so let's wait for it to come back. And while that happens, let me also introduce you to Massed Compute, who are sponsoring the VM for this video. I'm not using any GPU for this, but if you're looking to rent a GPU or VM or CPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a 50% discount coupon, which you can find in video's description. Okay, let's go back to the index file. Still working. Let's wait. And there you go, it has given us the result. So if I scroll down, you see the first tab is Easy OCR. And if you don't know what Easy OCR is, by the way, first search my channel. I already have covered it. It's a ready to use OCR with 80 plus supported languages and all popular writing scripts including Latin, Chinese, Arabic, even Cyrillic and few others. So you see it has, this is what it says. So the, and I, okay, I will also show you, I think most of the time I see that easy OCR performs bit better so, than the tesseract. So this is a easy OCR and then this is a tesseract. For this document they both have done well, by the way. Good stuff. And um, and I believe this tool automatically installs easy OCR, and you might have to install the tesseract beforehand. I already had it installed, but the installation is very simple. For tesseract, all you need to do is to run these two commands: sudo apt install tesseract-ocr and this library. That's it. So if you haven't installed tesseract before, just to use this. And if you don't know what tesseract is an open source text recognition engine which is available under Apache 2 license, and it is quite good too. I have and it's not that new, by the way. Anyway, so you see, sorry, I'll just go Streamlit one. So you see that even before you use these libraries with or without LLMs, you can simply run this validation Parse Vision tool in order to get the taste of what exactly your OCR doing. Or if you're already doing the OCR and you're not really getting the results which you want, you can simply put this as a linter or as a validator and then check what exactly your OCR tool is missing. And as it is an open source one, you can simply change the code and include the OCR tool of your choice or even OCR model. Let me try one more PDF file. I'll just select it from, there is an academic paper. I'm just going to use that one with the formulas and stuff. Let's see how it goes. It takes a bit of a time, like a minute or two. So let's wait. And there you go. So this is how easy OCR looks at the diagrams, formulas, and then some of the stuff there. You see it has missed some of it, like here. And let's quickly check what if tesseract has been able to. So sorry, this was a tesseract, and then let's go back. Let's go down to see if easy OCR was, there you go. So easy OCR didn't capture it full, the T is missing, but it was able to do almost some of it. So this is what I was saying, that easy OCR is relatively better in my experiments on some of my PDF files. So try it out. Let me know what do you think about this tool. I'm quite impressed by it, by the way. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.